Alright, looks like we have a breakout on GC. Good morning, people. It's currently February 18th, Tuesday. And yeah, it looks like we have a breakout. Oh, shoot, okay. Why is it not letting me put a buy? What? Why is it not letting me put a buy? Why? What is going on? Bro, this order doesn't go through. I'm gonna crash. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, first trade. Alright, I guess it was bugging out. What? Alright, hopping in displacement. Might be going for this level here. We'll see what happens. Yeah, there's not that much volume in the market right now. It's kind of weird. Why is the market so low volume? Okay, I seem to have entered in a nightmare right now. This is disastrous. Wow. W. Alright, we're dropping, I think. At this point, I don't even know what's going on, bro. Okay, we're going back up. Make up your goddamn mind, bro. Either way, it looks like we got trapped. They trapped us. Now I'm at the mercy of whatever BS is about to happen. We're in a freaking consolidation. Yikes. It's just no reason for it to be coming back up here. Oh, God. Let me put it like a bit above. Like, yeah, like. I need to see if I can get out of here. Alright, we got out. Because that's a nightmare. What is that? What is that? Did we lose anything? No, we didn't. Yeah. Well, they gave us an escape. First trade. Got really choppy. It seems like I wasn't wrong about the sell. Like, it is selling. But, yeah, I just don't like the way it's selling, you know? What the hell is this? We might just wait till news. Wait till we get something smoother. Because that's not it. That is not it. It could also just be coming up to retest the bottom here. So honestly, like, actually, like, it could be, yeah. It could be. I like the power in it, though. I'm just gonna stay out of this one. This is not an A+ setup. It's been like, I don't like it the way it's been moving. But yeah, this could hit. I just feel good not being in it. But 10 to 20, let's see. Let's see if it would have hit. We enter here. 10, 20, 10, 20. TP smashed. That would have been a quick trade right there. 10, 20. I just had to play it safe. Had to play it safe. Rather safe than sorry. Yeah, so getting out of that sell was pretty good. Pretty good idea. It looks like buy power is coming back to the market. When it was selling, it was choppy. When it's buying, it's clear. Interesting. Very interesting. So our buys the move right now. I guess buys are the move. Okay, MNQ. Let's see what's rocking with you. Okay. Buying as well. Interesting. Very interesting. I would have hopped in here. 60. It just wants to be a range. I wouldn't even take anything in this, to be honest. Like, just no. Failed. Why would it fail? Make my alert. What's wrong with you? Please try again. I can't make any more alerts. There we go. Like, what? What's up with this app today, bro? There we go. It's bugging out. 60 ticks. 60 ticks. Can we hit 60 ticks? 60 ticks. 60 ticks. 60. 60 ticks. It's so close to our alleged TP. So very close. We can bounce back. Yes, this would have hit. Yo, haha. W setup. I'm realizing now in hindsight, yo, that thing not letting me enter the trade saved my ass, bro. This was a breakout, but it just came crashing down and then it went back up. So this would have hit me out. God got me for real, for real. Ooh, it's actually looking pretty decent. Hold on. $20.40, baby. 20. Yeah, 20.40 actually doesn't sound bad. What the? 20.40. Let's give it a go. 20.40. That's a 20.40. Well, looks like we're lowering this. We're just trying to go up here. What lot size is that enter on? Oh, it's MNQ. Oh my god. Whoops. I thought it was NQ. I restart the page. It brings me to MNQ. Bro, this is so goofy. We're not counting this as a second trade. Nah, this is some bullshit. I restart the page. It brings me to MNQ. I was just looking at NQ. We literally just seen that. You could go back in the video. Oh my god. I restart the page and it brings me back to MNQ. That doesn't even make sense. Damn, we're really failing to buy up. Like, I thought we were gonna try and hit this guy up here. Get this guy. My move's a small part of that. That's what I'm saying. I was looking at NQ. I'm not counting that as a second trade. That was not even a trade. What is that? Well, it's gonna up my win rate on Top Step. 2 wins technically. Technically 2 wins. I don't see it falling below this zone. I really don't. I think it's gonna keep going up. W trade idea. Too bad it didn't execute on the right thing. Oh my god. It was a good trade idea. I knew it. Alright. Looks like it's respecting this. So far, so good. Okay. Let's do 25 so we can at least get behind. Yeah. 25.50. I'll hop in. I like that. I like that. We're behind the support too. I like it. I don't know. I'd be really surprised if it completely reversed on me. I would be surprised. I can't even lie. Alright, let me see. Alright, where are we? Alright, my TP is fine. If we break above this zone, I don't see it not going to this zone. So just randomly having a TP in the middle is low-key pointless. I can actually raise it. Actually, I'd put it here. Nah, I'll leave it. Is that the same spot? Yeah, I'll leave it. I'll leave it. Screw it. I'll leave it. We'll just keep the TP. We'll leave it. This might be a long one. Might take a minute. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We had really good structure in the 1 hour in favor of buys. The 1 hour is in favor of buys right now, which is really good in our favor. Pretty much displace this, especially if we push above this. If we push above this white line right here, we're gonna start really going crazy. I like this though. We're aligned with the 1 hour. The 1 hour buys. Let's check the 5 minute. 5 minute. It's kind of struggling here. Could become a pause zone. That would suck. The price just started pausing here. That would suck. I really just want to see us push above this, man. Like, once we push above, reject. We might push above, have a short little pause, but when we push again, we in the money. What? How did that hit me? What? How did that hit me? How did that hit me? Wait, what? Oh, that's such BS. Oh, that's such BS. Wow. come on. Let me get one in. Okay. Ooh, okay. There we go. And there you have it, people. Need to talk real quick. That's what we call trusting the setup. That's what we call trusting the setup. That's trusting the setup. If I did that break even shit, look, I hopped in here. If I had put in my trade below this zone, like, because it rejected here, break even, I would have been hit out. But because I didn't, I was able to get my full TP. So it's just about trusting the setup, staying in the trade. There's a reason you have a stop loss. You, in most cases, unless it's a very high volume and it's going quickly, you should just not be really changing the stop loss too much. And yeah, man, that's what won me this. That's what got me this dub. That almost hit me out, but it didn't. That's all that matters in the end. And it's just about not accepting anything less than what you aimed for. Okay, yo, shut up. The mentality where you live in fear and you just want to take whatever you get out of life, or the mentality where you'd rather lose it all than fall short of what you want. And that's what I prefer to have. Better mentality, makes you more competitive. It's just better. Having faith in yourself that you can achieve your goal. And if you fail, you fail. But at least you tried. My faith has been restored, strengthened, reinforced. God got me. I don't care if they say it's not. God has nothing to do with trading. No, it's not God. It's just analysis. Nah, that's God, bro. God got me. Alright, so now as we broke out on the sell side, we came in, we retested it successfully, and now we're pushing down more. See what really happens here, but yeah. What are the targets? Potentially going for these lows. If it comes up here, that's a displacement. We'll take that too. See what happens, what rocks. Is it even worth it? Let me see. Honestly, couldn't have asked for a better win on my first trading day of the week. Perfect representation of my new principles, man. I just love that trade so much. Because it really solidified the fact that I should just stick with my trade. No type of trailing, no type of micromanaging. You entered, just let it go and do its thing. Came all the way down, tested me. I didn't budge. And then bam, I got the TP. People might say this, oh, it's just chart analysis. Oh, it's just this. It's not that deep. Oh, mentality, not that deep. No, it is that deep. Because that's just proof of trust, man. Trust in yourself and trust in your idea. Do you trust yourself and the work you put in to stick with it even when it seems like you may be wrong? Yeah, trading shouldn't have emotions, that's for sure. I get that. But there's something that's not spoken about enough, which is just trust, literally. Traders need to talk more about trust. Trust in yourself and trust in your setup. Trusting that in a long enough period of time, those small wins will accumulate into something significant. Now, technically speaking, the reason I entered it, obviously, strong buy structure. Looked like we were pushing up. It just did not want to sell. All the sells were choppy. They were trash. We're above the VWAP, volume weighted average. I don't really use the VWAP, but it's just nice to say we're above the VWAP. So it's like another reason I hopped in to buy. We're way above the VWAP, high buy power. Then obviously you guys seen when I looked at the 1 hour, it also looked like we had some good buy structure. We're on the side of buys. This huge move dropped for 730 ticks. The 50% zone was like around here, but it went well above the 50% zone by the time I entered. So I'm like, okay, it looks like it wants to really buy. So I'm like, okay, so we got the 1 hour on our side. The 1 hour is telling us it wants to buy. And then we checked the 5 minute. It had decent structure. And yeah, so we had a lot of things lining us up for that. And then also the fact that on the 1 minute, it came up, came down, respected the top of this zone. It really just did not want to sell. So I took my chance on the first candle that came up. And yeah, it tried to come down, it tried to hit us out. It didn't go deep enough, and we got that win. That's it. That's it. If you weren't so close to such like major lows, I would have hopped in here. Honestly, it could still go 100, 200. Like, it really could. Looks like it's doing just that. Looks like it might be doing just that. Oh yeah, it's a major low. Okay, let's see what's going on the higher time frame. What's the story? What's going on with Nas? Okay. So we just broke out of a range zone. So we potentially actually dropping to retest. Or it is, yeah, so he broke out. He came up. We paused for a bit. Now, cutting below this pause would actually be a big deal. We'll make it red. Looks like we did cut below that pause, actually. So we're going to be dropping a lot. Yeah, we just dropped below that. Now we're on a 4 hour displacement. Ooh, this is going to drop a lot more. Okay, I like this. I'm going to be annoying. I like this. Break about this, and I'm hopping in the buy. Can we get 200 though if we did? Is it still possible? I don't know. But we'll give it a go. Okay, there we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We like it. We like it. What the? I wasn't tripping, right? Yeah. 200 looks so far away, bro. It might just come and retest this, bro. 1 hour. 1 hour is telling us downtrend. 4 hour telling us downtrend, but it's like a double wick downtrend. I wouldn't give up on buys just yet, but this may have been a mistake, guys. I may have made a mistake here. Okay, so it was just a normal pullback. Looks like I lost. We are at 900. All right, we'll call it a day there. We're still in profit. Yeah. So it seems like the higher time frame story really does tell us a lot about the market. Like a lot, even on the 1 minute. Like I said, man, if it broke below this, it's true. We were definitely in some strong sells because it broke up, it paused here, and it broke down. So that tells me that it is not holding by structure any longer, because when you get a pause, you want to see a continued structure after the pause. In this case, it paused, no continuation of structure, displacement. So we had a 4 hour displacement. I hopped in a buy thinking I could get, a little 1-2, quickly get that and get out, but the 4 hour displacement prevailed, so that's a good little thing to pay attention to, man. Just a higher time frame story. It really does tell you about what's going on down here. But yeah, we'll call that a day. That's the end. Made some money. And yeah, we'll do it again tomorrow.